I greet you, all the respected viewers. First of all, I welcome you to my Learn with SSA. My respected learners, already I have discussed about direct and indirect speeches in a part number 1 video. How to change direct speech to indirect speech in assertive sentences. In the first video I have discussed. Today I am going to change direct speech into indirect speech in interrogative sentences. If you learn this, you will be able to speak, read and write English in easy way. The change from direct speech to indirect speech in interrogative sentences is very easy. I am going to tell you in this video. Let us go on learning. To understand direct and indirect speech, we need to keep in mind some points. We should understand the tense of direct speech. We should divide the direct speech into the parts, as the part not put into inverted commas, that is called as reporting speech, and the part put into inverted commas, that is called as reported speech. First of all, if we divide the direct speech into the reported speech and reporting speech, it will be easy for us to change direct speech to indirect speech. For example, she said, does he go to market to bring shirt? What is the reporting speech here? She said, written with a red color. It is the part not put into inverted commas. It is reporting part. Next, the part put into inverted commas, that is called as reported. Reported speech. Does he go to market to bring shirt? It is the reported speech. She said it is the reporting speech. Okay, let us go next. To change from direct speech to indirect speech, we have to follow the following points. The change the tense appropriately. First of all, the direct speech. Change the tense of the direct speech or the reported speech. Change the tense of reported speech appropriately. Change the pronouns appropriately. Change the some words or phrases. Next, let us learn by seeing the examples. Direct speech. Example number 1. Direct speech. He asked, do I go out? What is the reporting speech here? He asked. It is the part not put into inverted commas. It is the reporting speech. Next, do I go out? It is the reported speech. Indirect speech. Step by step, I am going to tell you how to change direct speech to indirect speech in an interrogative sentences. Step 1. Change the interrogative sentence of reported speech into assertive sentence. It is the first step. We have to do this first step. It is the easy method to change direct speech to indirect speech in interrogative sentences. It is the interrogative sentence. Do I go out? It is the interrogative sentence in a simple present tense. We have to understand the tense of the reported speech. Do I go out? It is the interrogative sentence in a simple present tense. First of all, we have to change that into assertive sentence. What is the assertive sentence? Yes, I go out. It is the assertive sentence. Do I go out? What is the assertive of this reported speech? I go out. It is the assertive sentence. If you want to learn about the tenses, I am discussing the tenses in other videos. Please keep watching them. I go out. Next step, change the tense. I go out. Change the tense. There is the rule. If in reported speech there is a simple present tense, that should be changed into simple past tense. It is the simple present tense. It is changed to simple past tense. Yes. I go out. What is the simple past tense? I went out. I went out. It is the simple past tense of I go out. Step number 3. It is the final answer. In final answer, we have to connect or join the reporting speech and the reported speech. While changing direct speech to indirect speech in interrogative, particularly in interrogative sentences, we have to use if or whether to connect reporting speech to reported speech. If or whether, it is important. See the answer. He asked if or whether. He went out. I is the pronoun. Change it to he. Because why do we use he here? Why we do not use she or it? Because in a reporting speech, he is there. He asked himself, do I go out? He asked himself, do I go out? So, I refers to he refers to I. So, we use he here. I is changed to he. He asked if or whether he went out. Let us go to next example. If you have any doubt, my respected learners, about the direct speech and indirect speech in interrogative sentences, ask me in the comment box. Next example. The teacher asked the student, do not you keep silence now? Do not you keep silence now? It is the interrogative sentence. In indirect speech, what is the first step? Change the interrogative sentence of a reported speech into assertive sentence. Do not you keep silence now, changed to in assertive sentence. You do not keep silence now. You do not keep silence now. Next step. Change the tense. It is in a simple present tense. You do not keep silence now. It is in a simple present tense. Simple present tense is changed to simple past tense. Step number 2. Change the tense. It is in the simple present tense. It is in the simple past tense. Simple present tense negative sentence, we have to change it to simple past tense negative sentence. Next, we will go to step number 3, final answer. In final answer, we have to connect the reporting speech to reported speech. The teacher asked the student. Here, teacher should be written here. The teacher asked the student if or whether he or she did not keep silence then. I have written here he or she because he or she refers to the student. The student is the common noun. It may be feminine gender or masculine gender. The teacher asked the student if or whether she or he did not keep silence then. It is the final answer. Now is changed to then. Some words are changed into now is changed to then. About this word, how some words are changed from direct speech to indirect speech, I have told them in the background video or the part number 1 video. In the part number 1 video, I have told watch that video. Next, example number 3, direct speech. Are you engaging in the work and has Lata come to office today? The manager asked the employees. In this direct speech, after the reported speech, the reporting speech has come. Sometimes the reporting speech can come after the reported speech. It is the reporting speech. It is the reported speech. What is the indirect speech? Let us see. Step number 1, change the reported speech into assertive. Here, you are engaging in the work and Lata has come to office today. There are 2 tenses in this reported speech. First one is present continuous tense. Another is present perfect tense. Step number 3, final answer. The manager asked if or whether they were engaging in the work and Lata had come to office that day. Today is changed to that day. Here, the manager asked if or whether you is changed to they. Here, you refers to the employees. Employees refers to you. You changed to they because the employees is in the plural form. The manager asked if or whether they were engaging in the work and Lata had come to office that day. Next, write the answers in the comment box. My respected learners, I hope you have understood how to change direct speech to indirect speech in the interrogative sentences. I have given 2 direct speeches here. You are requested to change these 2 direct speeches into indirect speech. Write the answers in the comment box. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Once again, I tell you many thanks for having watched this video. If you have any doubt about this video, ask me in the comment box. I will try to answer the questions.